Great moments are born from great opportunity. And that's what you have here tonight, boys. That's what you've earned here tonight. One game. If we played them 10 times, they might win 9. But not this game. Not tonight. Tonight, we skate with them. Tonight, we stay with them. And we shut them down because we can. Tonight, we are the greatest hockey team in the world. You were born to be hockey players. Every one of you. And you were meant to be here tonight.
On frozen ground, we stand as one. From small town rinks where the dreams take flight, to the brightest lights on the biggest night. Red, white, blue stitched across our chest, we play for honor. We give our best, no easy path, no shortcuts here. We earn the glory year after year. This is our moment, this is our stand. One heart beating across this land. Raise the flag, we stand so tall, united strong. We answer the call, one team united, chasing that gold for the love of our country. Brave and bold, raise the flag, let the anthem ring. USA hockey, we rise and we say, USA, USA. Legends paved the way with heart and fight. Now we carry on through the longest night. Brothers on blades, side by side we skate. Every goal a promise we won't break. From the first drop to the final horn, we play for pride where heroes are born. This is our legacy, this is our pride. One nation, one team, side by side. Raise the flag, we stand so tall, united strong. We answer the call, one team united, chasing that gold for the love of our country. Brave and bold, raise the flag, let the anthem ring. USA hockey, we rise and we say, USA, USA. Standing on the podium, gold in our hands. One heartbeat united across these lands. For the red, white, and blue, we give it all.